Audi Q7 rear lower bumper light removal. I had a problem with this bulb that was broken socket. I fixed that, but just as an information how to take the light off, because I was looking and I couldn't find anything, so maybe it's gonna help someone. So basically the first thing, you're gonna remove this cap, which you can see how it is. It goes like this, right? And the best is when it goes in, you're gonna see it has a little part that's holding, so you just put like this. I use the plastic tool to remove it, and I pull from the bottom like this, and it comes down. Then you're gonna look inside, and let me put some light on so you can see better. There's a place where it sits. Just over there, you can see on the left where the screw will go, and this is the screw. I took it off. It's T27. You need a longer bit like this, right? And this one goes exactly in that area there on the corner left. You see it with the red, that's where it goes. It's at an angle. After you remove that, this bit comes off. The best is to use a prying tool. Don't try to pull from this side. If you want, just put like this, and then literally just pull it out and it's gonna come out. But with this one, not with metal bits. Do not try with this kind of stuff. This is for something else, so it wasn't used in this. And it just slides out. There's a plug in here which you can take out, and all the bulbs are here, right? So the bolt goes in there, T27 at an angle through this hole. And if you can see, just a quick notice, you're gonna see that you have this bit that goes in that hole there. So you want to make sure that one goes in first before you do anything else, right? Yeah, and that's it. I gotta use 2 hands to put it in, but thank you.